Good morning, students. Yes, how you are? I hope all are fine. Okay, in the last class, which chapter is completed? Third chapter is completed in grammar. So, what is the third chapter? The beginner's dictionary of naming words. Is it right? The beginner's dictionary of naming words. Yes, you studied so many things in this lesson, in this chapter. What are the things you learned? First, animals you learned about animals, then birds, then fruits, then vegetables, jobs, parts of body, then class, days of week, months of the year. So these are things you learned in the chapter. Okay. So actually these are what naming words. These are called what naming words. Yes, noun means what? Come on, tell me. Noun means what? What is the meaning of noun? Yes, name of anything. Noun means what? Name of anything. Animals, birds, then fruits, vegetables, jobs, parts of body, class, days of week, months of the year, and things and places. Those are called naming words. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ನೀವು ಮೂರನೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕಲ್ತಿರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ places, things. You learned all these are things. Is it understand? Okay. Did you complete the homework? What homework I gave you? Come on, tell me anyone. Days and months you have to write. Did you write? Did you write the days and months? Bardidra? How many days in a week? Anyone? How many days in a week? In a week 7 days. ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸಗಳಿದಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 7 ದಿವಸಗಳಿದಾವೆ. Come on, tell me what are those? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are days of week. ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ 7 ದಿವಸಗಳು. Okay, let's come to the months of the year. How many months in a year? ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳುಗಳು? Months. How many months in a year? ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳುಗಳಿದಾವೆ? Yes, in the last class we have discussed that. Okay, now you tell me. How many months in a year? Yes, of course. 12. 12 months in a year. 12 ಇದಾವೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 12 ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ. ಜನವರಿ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್, ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್, ಮೇ, ಜೂನ್, ಜುಲೈ, ಆಗಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್, ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್, ನವೆಂಬರ್ and December. Is it understand? These are months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and finally December. ಇವು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 12 ತಿಂಗಳುಗಳು. You have to just you have to write with spelling. You have to spell the spelling. Spell the spelling. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಜನವರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is the meaning of, what is the spelling of January? Then what is the spelling of Sunday? Okay, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Which spelling? You have to read with spelling. Is it understand? Shall I go further? Mundogama. So look at the page number 14. Here, page number 14. Page number 14. So here, just let us see second exercise. In the chapter, second exercise. What is the second exercise? First exercise already you did. Name of the days you have to write. Then month of the year. First ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾರಗಳು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಮಂತ್ಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ತಿಂಗಳುಗಳು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಎನಿ ಫೋರ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. Did write any four vegetables name less than any four animals. You have to write any four animals and any four vegetables. Did you write it? ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್? Did you finish it? Okay. Let's see second exercise. What is the second exercise? Let's see here. Put inverted comma he at the right place. At the right place in the following words. In the following words. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು put e at the right place in the word. ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್? ಈ ಲೆಟರ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, an example here, look at dancer. Here, where to put here? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಈಗಿನ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೀರಿ? Where to put he in the word? If you know this spelling, automatically you understand. You can understand where to put the he. ಈ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಚ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Come on, tell me what is the spelling of dancer? D-A-N-C-E-R. Dancer. Where is the he? Between C and R. Where is the he here? Between C and R. We have to put E. Now that is correct. Dancer. D-A-N-C-E-R. Dancer. Is it understand? What is the spelling of dancer? D-A-N-C-E-R. Dancer. Okay. Let us see next example. What is the spelling of camel? Anyone tell me? What is the spelling of camel? Camel spelling ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಅನ್ನ? ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ in this word where to use he? What is the spelling of camel? See here, what is the spelling of camel? Camel spelling is C-A-M-E-L. C-A-M-E-L. So E-L is going to. So after M or before M? M ನಂತರ M ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? After M. M is there na? After M you have to write he. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Just understand. Let's see here. P-I-G-O-N. Can you say what is the word? What it is? ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಏನಿದು? P-I-G-O-N. P-I-G-O-N. It is also name of bird. ಇದು ಒಂದು Pakshya Esaru. What it is? Come on, tell me. Hmm. Pigeon. You know the? Sorry. Yes, let us see where to use the he here in this sentence. What is the spelling of pigeon? Anyone? P-I-G-E. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Okay. That is the spelling of pigeon. Then mouse. Where to use? Here. Mouse spelling. Huh. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Mouse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Mouse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲಿ. Okay, then grape. Grapes. Uncle. Grapes spelling. What is the spelling of grapes? G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Is it right? Is it right? What is the spelling of grapes? What is the spelling of grapes? G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Then finger. F-I-N-G-R. What is the spelling of finger? F-I-N-G-R. Finger. Is it right? E after G. Okay, G ನಂತರ E use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then here, what is the spelling of monkey? Come on, tell me, anyone. What is the spelling of monkey? M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Then here, barber. Barber spelling. Who knows this barber spelling? B-A-R-B-E-R. Barber. Okay. Then what is that? Cobbler. So what is the spelling of cobbler? Who repairs the shoes? Who repairs the shoes? We are calling him what? Cobbler. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೂಗಳು ಯಾರು ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಬ್ಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಬ್ಲರ್? B-L-E-R. Cobbler. Okay. Then vegetable. Yes, what is that? C-A-B-B-A-G-E. What is that? Cabbage. Cabbage ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೂಕೋಸು. Cabbage. Okay, is it understand? Then one more word is there. The food name. Orange. What is the spelling of orange? S-O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Is it okay? So this like you have to put E in these words. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ E ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ. Is it right? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Is it visible? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? Here dancer. D-A-N-C-E-R. Dancer. Then C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Just here. Just underline the E. Then here pigeon. Pigeon, pigeon. Then mouse, mouse. Okay. Then grapes, grapes, grapes. He is there na. Then let's go to the finger. Finger, finger. He is there na. Then monkey, ಅದು ಇ ಎದರ ನಡುವೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದು ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು y ನಡುವೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು between k and y you have to use e. Is it understand? Then barber, 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 barber. Then cobbler, cobbler, cobbler. Where is the here? Yes, here. Then cabbage, that is vegetable. Cabbage, cabbage. That is a cabbage. Does it understand? Let's see. Orange, ORNGE, orange. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ತರನಾಗಿ ಇ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Let's see second one. In the second main B, put here water A. You have to put here water here A. For example, what is the spelling of Taylor? Oh, okay. Saturday, first Saturday is there, na? STURDAY. Saturday. So here 2A is there, but here you have to write only one A in this sentence, in this word. ಈ word ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು A ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ it is a correct word. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? What is the spelling of Saturday? Saturday is the last day of the week. Is it right? What is the spelling of Saturday? Come on, tell me anyone. SATURDAY. Where is the A here? S. After S. S ನಂತರ A ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Is it understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Saturday, SATURDAY, Saturday. Let's see, that's like example, some more examples given. See here, in these words we have to put what? A. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು A ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What you have to put in the word? Sorry, you have to put a word, a letter, not sorry. So letter you have to use in these words. Here Saturday, that's like SATURDAY, Saturday. So that's can you guess what it is? ಯಾವ word is it? Who stitch the cloth? Who stitch your cloth? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಹೊಲಿತಾರೆ? Yes, tailor. What is the spelling of tailor? Yes, TAILOR, tailor. Just understand. What is this spelling of tailor? Tailor, tailor. Then, any guess which word this word? क्या word is it? Yes, when you see it, automatically you run away. ಇದು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಿರಿ ಯಾವುದಿದು? Yes, in Nagar Panchami we worship the god. Which one? Yes, snake. Nagara, it means in Kannada snake. What is the spelling of snake? Yes, N-A-K-E. K-E, snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Then, fruit name. Yes, orange. What is the spelling of orange? O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Then, turban. Turban, come on, tell me what is turban? Yes, T-U-R-B-A-N, turban. Okay, next, the bird. It is in green color. Which bird is in green color? ಯಾವ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಹಸಿರು ಕಲರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್. ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್. ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದು? ಗಿಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Okay, parrot spelling. Then it is flying in the sky. Get fly in the sky. ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದಿದು? ಎಸ್, ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಷಿ. ಎಸ್, ಈಗಲ್. What is the spelling of eagle? E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Okay. Then here, who makes the woodwork or furniture, stool, or whatever, window, door, whatever it may be? Carpenter. We are calling him what? Carpenter. What is the spelling of carpenter? C-A-R-P-E-N-T-R, carpenter. Is it understand? So then, buffalo. Hey, come on, tell me. Buffalo spelling. A-L-O. Buffalo. Okay. Then, what word it is? Painter. What it is? Painter. Who makes the paint? Who makes the paint? We are calling him what? Painter. Paint ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Painter. What is the spelling of painter? P-A-N-T-R, painter. Is it understand? Yes. Forehead. It is a parts of body. Where is your forehead? This part is called forehead. ಹಣೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Forehead means in Kannada what? ಹಣೆ. So what is the spelling of forehead? F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D. Forehead. Is it understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ದೊಳಗ ಏನೋ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. Is it understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ main, sorry, yes, third main, of course. Let us see third main. What we have to do? Third main, see here. Put a box round the strange word. Stranger word. Stranger means different. Stranger means what? A different word. So for example, look at the example. Chair is there, table, then mother, desk, then blackboard. ಸೇರದ ಪದವನ್ನ ಆರಿಸಿರಿ. ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರದ ಆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ or one out. odd one out. ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಪದವನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ just see here chair, table, mother, desk, blackboard. ಇದರೊಳಗ which is different word, which is odd one? ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರಲಾರದ ಪದ ಯಾವುದು ಇರಲಿ? Yes, come on, tell me. Mother. Mother, why? Chair is thing. Table is also thing. Mother is, sorry, desk is thing. Blackboard is thing. So these are lifeless. Here chair, table, desk, blackboard, these are things. Those are, it means those are lifeless. Non-living thing. Living thing or non-living thing? Non-living thing. Okay, ಜೀವ ಐತನ ಓಕೆ. Chair, table, desk, blackboard ಜೀವ ಐತಿ? ಜೀವ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಜೀವಿತ ವಸ್ತು ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಜೀವಿತ ಯಾವುದು? ಎಸ್, ಮದರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. It is a living thing. Others are non-living thing. Okay. Is it understand? It is a living thing. Others are non-living thing. So mother is a stranger word. Is it understand? So that's like other examples we have proved. Other examples are here. Just try to put the box around the strange word. Find out the strange word in the sentence. Okay, in the words. Words strange. What is strange word? You have to find out and put a box. Put a box. It is your homework. Homework is what? Third main exercise. Third main exercise complete. It is your homework. Third main exercise. One example given already. That's like other examples you have to do. Is it understand? Okay. See you in the next class with new chapter. Until, take care of yours.